Okay, so we've got the information you saw earlier from the New York Times website. So in here, we're going to look at how to kind of organize the information for your essay. So we got the information from earlier from the New York Times website. I've also taken information from a second website. You'll notice I put the information in red. So it's got the address of the website up here in case I need to go back. Um, yeah, so it's in red in case I need to go back to it as well. So we've got the reference here and the in-text citation here. So basically what I need to try and do is merge the information from the different websites into an organized way. So down here from my first website, I looked at the advantages of GPS. So what I'm going to do is just look at my points. When I say my points, they're not my points, actually they're from the website. And then I'm going to decide are the advantages, disadvantages, and then we're going to put them in the appropriate point. The reason for this is that when we write our essay, we're going to follow something called a block structure. If you don't know what that is, that's fine. We will go over that a bit later on. Okay, so for this first point, basically this could be taken as two ways. Either a problem with maps, a disadvantage, so youngsters don't know how to navigate by map, or it could be an advantage of GPS. So GPS or their phones can create a route from A to B in a matter of seconds. So I'm going to write that in the advantage of GPS. Okay, it's in red here, which is great because then when I need to do my in-text citations later on, I know where it's come from. So you may want to have a different color for each of your resources. Okay, GPS will sort out one problem at a time. Sounds positive, but so a negative point, it cheats you out of a real sense of orientation. So this is a disadvantage of GPS or an advantage of paper maps. At the moment, I'll put it under disadvantage of GPS. Later on, we can decide if we want to put it as an advantage of paper maps. Okay, scrolling up again for the next one. That real sense of orientation you get from map is genuine, blah blah blah. Okay, here we've got about remembering the general geography of an area. Okay, so this seems to connect with an idea from earlier from the other passage about here, basically. So it helps more likely to remember the general geography, is basically similar to imprints the landscape more vividly and permanently on your mind. So basically both of these mean you remember the landscape, you remember where you've been. Okay, couple more points. Okay, this is a really big advantage of GPS. I find it relieves a lot of the stress of getting lost. So that's big advantage of GPS. Okay, and then our last point here, even so GPS isn't perfect. Okay, so this would be a disadvantage of GPS. So for example, sometimes when there's errors, if you rely completely on a GPS, then you're going to be in trouble. So this is disadvantages of GPS. Okay, so that is how we're going to organize our information. When I say organize information, it's organize the evidence from the readings, and then we'll look at a bit more how we'll organize it in the next video. Okay, so how do I stop this recording? I just press here. So I will carry on with another video on how to actually organize within the paragraphs and a bit more about the structure.